Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9 Maths NCERT plus CBSE Board, Chapter number 1 Number System, Exercise 1.6, in that question number 3, Simplify. So let us move to the first one. 2 raised to power 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. As you know that the rules for power and exponent, when the base are same and multiplication sign is there, then power will be get added. Okay, so let us write like this: 2 raised to 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 raised to 1 upon 1 raised to 5. See here, the base are same and between multiplication sign is there, so we will add the power. So here we will write 2 plus 1 by 5. Now as you know that the denominator are different, that means we will do the LCM. Okay, so here we will take out the LCM for 3 and 5. 3 ones are 5 as it is, 5 ones are 1s are, so 5 3s are 15. Our LCM will be 15. So here we will write 15 and our power is 2 raised to 3 plus 1 upon 5. So here we will ask the question in the table of 3 when the 15 is coming. So 5s are, and in 5 table 3s are coming. So here we will multiply 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, so here we will write 2 raised to 10 plus 3 upon 15. So our answer will be 2 raised to 10 plus 3 13 raised to 15. This is our final answer. So here we had taken the LCM for the power, and when the base are same, multiplication sign is there, so power will be added. Now let us move to the second one. The second question is 1 upon 3 raised to power 3 whole raised to 7. Now as you know that when there is whole raised to 7, that means 7 will stick on 1 also, and 7 will stick with 3 also. So we will write like this: the relation of whole raised to 7 means 7 will get multiplied with the power 1 also and with 3 also. So here our answer will be 1 raised to 7 means answer is 1, and 3 raised to 7 3s are 21. So this is our sum number second. Okay, now let us do the third one, that is our third one is 11 raised to power 1 upon 2 upon 11 raised to power 1 upon 4. Okay, here you observe the division is there. The base is same, but the division sign is there, so the power will get minus. Okay, so here we will write like this: 11 raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Now we will take out the LCM for 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. So 2 and 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so our LCM will be 4. So here we will ask the question in table 2 when the 4 will come. So 2s are, and in 4 1s are, so 2 1s are 2 minus 1 ones are 1. Okay, so we will write like this. 2 minus 1 means 1 upon 4. Okay, so this is our final answer. 2 minus 1 means 1 and our LCM is 4. So 11 raised to 1 upon 4 is our final answer. Now let us move to the fourth one, that is 7 raised to 1 upon 2 multiply by 8 raised to 1 upon 2. Now observe the question. The base is different. Again, the base is different and multiplication sign is there and the power is same. So the base will be multiply. Okay, and power will remain same as it is. Again, when the base is same, when the base is different and power is same and multiplication sign is there, then the base will get multiplied and power will remain as it is. जब भी बेस अलग अलग होते हैं और पावर सेम होते हैं और बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन होती है, तब बेस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे और पावर विल रिमेन सेम. ओके, सो लेट अस 7 8s are 56 and our power will remain same. So this is the question 4. So in this way we had completed our question 3rd, exercise 1.6, chapter number 1, number system.